चटनी में भी गाने को सुपर हिट बना देता है यार। जुगनू में आए थे आधे शॉर्ट्स में, पाजी और कोई नहीं कर सकता ये।
सर हम गाना हाफ चट्टी में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं।
But it's fantastic और ऐसा it's incredible and that's how relaxed you are and that's how he gives so much of space to the other singers. So tell me about this process और आपका connection कैसा है with बादशाह पाजी?
मुझे तो बहुत मजे आते हैं. Like I think with him it's a combination of a lot of मस्ती and a lot of work, but काम उनके साथ पता नहीं चलता है. It's just lots of play and no work leads to lots of work, है ना?
शार्वी को आधा टाइम पता ही नहीं चलता कि हो क्या रहा है।
ये भी reason
तो
है.
मैं इसको बोलता हूँ कि गाना रिकॉर्ड करते हैं तो she doesn't give a fuck कि क्या चल रहा है।
हो जाता है.
हाँ मतलब she is like
मस्ती
हाँ
में.
मस्ती में। तो ये प्रेशर नहीं लेती तो I think you know
That's why it looks so good and you're looking also very good also.
Thank you so much.
But somebody who's taken it all of it away, we have to ask you this. There's, you know, Preeti, a lot of people try very hard to look very good when they're dancing, you know. They try really hard.
I do too.
No, but listen, you have to. Are you a born dancer or is it somebody that who've learned a lot? Because this is very hardcore and very aggressive movements also. Because the song possibly wanted that.
I mean, I've definitely been trained as a dancer, but I should give a lot of credit to Sharvi's singing and the beats, because that's what I'm trying to embody with my expressions and everything, and that's what that is.
You know,
it's definitely
so
got to do.
How long did you take to do this? That track, like pick up the steps and all that.
Like a day.
You took a day.
A day.
We also, I think we have to give a shout out to Rajat Dev, who's the choreographer of the song.
Yeah.
And I was a little annoyed. I was like, where is Preeti? Why isn't she practicing? Because when he showed me the steps, I was like, how the ये सब होएगा कैसे? But
hard.
And then Rajat was like, oh, she got it like an hour and she was done. I was like,
तो आपकी भी तो बंदूक ऐसे ऊपर आ गई थी. आपको कितना टाइम लगा उस बंदूक को ऐसे पकड़ने में?
सर वो बंदूक
ऐसे ऐसे करके बंदूक भी तो आ गई थी बाजी.
तो सर वो पहले तो उंगली पे घुमाई. अच्छा एक फनी चीज ये है कि वो नहीं मैं बताऊंगा नहीं, सीक्रेट नहीं बताऊंगा.
मैं नहीं बता दूं.
वो तो जो बंदूक थी ना जो
हाँ. इतनी मतलब उसको इलाज किया है क्या? वैसे तो बड़ी दिख रही थी.
हाँ नहीं वो
अच्छा.
प्रैक्टिस के टाइम छोटी थी.
अच्छा.
और फिर उसको हमने घुमाया उंगली पे.
अच्छा.
अभी स्टिल टॉकिंग अबाउट बंदूक.
यस ऑफ कोर्स.
तो फिर जब हम घुमा रहे थे तो वो पूरा वैसलीन वगैरह लगाना पड़ा
ये जो वीडियो में हमने बंदूक देखा है उसकी बात चल रही है. यस ऑफ कोर्स. तो ऐसे ऐसे जो एक्शन था
तो ऐसे घूम रही थी और वो तो घूम तो गई बट फिर प्रैक्टिस के टाइम तो हो गया अच्छा तरह से एंड फिर जब निकाला तो उंगली मोटी हो गई. उसके बाद उंगली सूज गई बहुत ज़्यादा एंड देन उसके बाद व्हेन वी ट्राइड इट डिडंट हैपन. तो फिर जुगाड़ लगाया तो बंदूक तो घुमानी थी तो घुमा दी. वो लगाया कैसे वो नहीं मैं बता सकता.
There's so much I want to know that is written between the lines that you're not saying. Preeti, we're talking about the fact that he was trying to do the movement with the gun and it didn't happen and then he eventually did something else, which what we see in the video right now. That's what I was asking. How do you get that?
I don't think she wants to know.
Okay, now since we've spoken so much about the track, listen, Geet, where are you? We've got a few people here who've been there. She is. Listen, I want you to give a round of applause to her, Geet. She is dynamite. Geet, इन्होंने एक दिन में गाना सीख लिया है, and I want her to come on stage.
Before she comes on stage, I want to let her know आप स्टेज पे आके भी कि I am a huge fan. और आप अभी देखने वाले हो कि क्या धमाकेदार है ये छोटे मोटे स्टार हैं, अभी बहुत बड़ा स्टार स्टेज पे आने वाला है.
But there is I have a small request. Every one of you has to move with it. Yes. Why?
Everyone has to move.
Yes.
We'll move.
No. Move with them. Geet, come on stage. Can we have some more dancing people practicing?
Can we have a huge round of applause for Geet?
Yes. First, come on stage. Can we move the chairs in the back? Chairs ले जाओ. So ये गीत आप बताओ मुझे, आपने सबको कोरियोग्राफी सिखा दी? She took 5 minutes, right? Okay, girls come. All these, give big round of applause, guys. No, you. 1 second, Basha, you all have to stand in the middle. Not on the side.
So I have an idea.
No,
First-
there's no idea, Paji. You have to dance.
Achha, no, I will now. So the first Geet and Preeti should do it, I think.
Achha.
And then Geet and Preeti should teach us how to do the dance step.
अच्छा.
And we'll randomly pick 3-5 people.
अच्छा.
So मैं अकेला बेवकूफ ना लगूं, तो 4-5 और लोग झुंड में बेवकूफ
नहीं,
लगे.
ये भी this is also randomly picked only. I have picked these random
No,
people.
but इनको देख के लग रहा है ये फाड़ने वाले हैं स्टेज पे.
नहीं, ऐसा-
They're gonna kill it. नहीं? चलो
Okay.
कोई तो फाड़ेगा. हाँ.
Let me
But
ask
Preeti
Preeti
and
also.
Geet है ना?
If Bacha should dance or not.
Oh no, he.
I will
dance.
later. You know, पहले.
But he wants a little bit of an appetizer with Geet and you doing a
पहले
step.
let them feed good food, then garbage dessert.
So should we start with this? ऐसे करेंगे full course आज. ठीक है कम. Round of applause for Geet. चलो everybody. Preeti, come. I'll hold the mic.
I will try to match your energy.
Okay, and I'm going to play that 30 second. Can you play the 30 second for me?
Yeah.
नहीं या मतलब तेरे फोन से
30 second.
सही है भाई.
30 seconds.
30 सेकंड
बीबी फिसलन हाथ से यार वो साथ जो पहली से साथ थे और से देखो लड़का है ये
All right.
भाई कैमरा नीचे भाई